Hello, I saw your question in the email. I'll refer you to page 196. There's an example almost identical to one you're asking me about. The expected value, E sub x, is same as the mean, which is a sum of x times P of x, where x in this case is going to be the prize or the gain in money, and P of x will be the probability that it occurs. So the gain that you have is your prize minus the price of the ticket. So you can possibly gain, there's one prize at $1,200, but it cost you $2. So the hope is you win. Your profit is $1,198. So that would be your gain. The probability of winning's 1 out of 1,000. Okay. Then the gain for so one person wins, that means 999 out of 1,000 are going to lose, and their gain is actually going to be minus $2. That's how many people are going to lose. So the expected value will be the prize times the probability you'll win, which I worked this out, plus the prize, which is negative, times the probability you'll win, and it comes out, on average, I guess persons losing 80 cents per ticket. Hope this helps.